When my heart is overwhelmed and my soul feels so down, when the noise is all around me and I'm about to drown, I look up to the heavens through the silence and the scars. Even in my weakness, I know just who you are. When I've got nothing left to say and I've lost my way, I have one answer. I call your name. Through every storm, you stay the same. When I am broken, when I fall apart, you are the healer of my heart. I have one answer. It's always you. No matter what I'm going through, in every trial, in every scar, my only answer, God, you are. When the night feels endless and I can't see the light, when my faith is shaking in the middle of the fight, you remind me gently I'm never on my own. Even in the darkness, your love is leading me home.